you went to public school in the South, the Midwest, really anywhere where they had the fluorescent lights going and they served that mystery meat for lunch, you know what I'm talking about when I say I made Lunch Lady Brownies, okay? Lunch Lady Brownies, they're thick, they're fudgy, and they're gooey. Just so gooey. Honestly, they're still warm. I just frosted these and they're still warm. You can still see the steam coming out. This is what you traded for math homework and a bag of Cheetos, okay? I'm gonna teach you today how to make Lunch Lady Brownies better than you ever had it before. Sorry, Linda with the hairnet. Don't mean to replace you. But today, I'm gonna show you how to make game-changing brownies for any kind of events this summer coming up, for sporting events, vacation, Bible school, whatever. You wanna knock the socks off some parents, some kids, and everybody else? Right here. You bring this to the family barbecue, they're gonna say, who made these brownies? Because it's gonna bring you back to the day when you were in school. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Dad's Simply Cooking, where we keep it nostalgic, tasty, a little bit fudgy, a little bit on the dangerous side. Here we have the ingredients laid out. I did write them down for purposes. And we're gonna melt our butter down, get it ready. So we need our butter melted, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. All right, got butter. We're gonna do our sugar. 2 cups into the butter, my eggs, 5 eggs, my egg crackers are currently running in front of a dinosaur that's spitting water out of its mouth in the front yard. So they're having the time of their life, okay? Splash of vanilla in. More than a splash, Dad. I know, my bad. And we're gonna put our mixer head on. Walk it in and whisk. We're gonna whisk that for about 10 minutes, okay? Might seem like a bit, but it's just, it works. All right, so this is finally getting creamy. I'm gonna add my cocoa powder. Mix that on in. Sleep outside and ship at the door. So now we're going to add our flour. And 3/4 baking powder. Our 9 by 13 inch baking pan. We're just going to take our brownie mixture and dump it right on in to a well greased 9 by 13 pan. Bounce it out. Pop it in the oven. 3 cups of convection sugar. Not convection sugar, but powdered sugar. Okay, yep, powdered sugar. I have a half a cup of cocoa powder. Heavy cream. Okay, so 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. Go ahead. I have a tablespoon of vanilla. This is careful, it's sticky. I have 3 tablespoons of honey. That's right, honey. Well, you can do that. That's butter. You want my help? Yeah, and put my butter on in. Get the rest of that honey right here. Just put it, there you go, right there. Yep. It is. This one. Mm-hmm. Brownies, fresh, hot, out the oven. These are hot, okay? So we have our frosting, and this is hot out the oven, and that's fine. It will help. Look at that. Oh. All right, y'all. There you have it. Thick, gooey, delicious, fudgy brownies. Just absolutely a game changer. Decadent, gooey, warm, that fudge, the hint of the honey. Chef's kiss. So you got nothing left for us to do. Milk Mustache, like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for being here. Thank y'all for watching my videos. Your support, your love, the comments. Thank y'all for everything. We greatly appreciate you. We'll catch you in the next one. Hope you guys are looking forward to what I have coming up. Excited about it myself. I love you.